Financial independence is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. Why? Because according to the American Medical Association, 74% of adults in America are constantly stressed out about one thing: money. So, ladies, this is what I want for you. I want you to have a life full of eustress, good stress, where your endorphins are flowing, you're full of creativity and joy and fulfillment, not high levels of cortisol, which contribute to body aches, pain, and misery, which so many people are suffering from. Women's Wealth Network is not about building a financial empire so that all you do is work all the time and you have no joy. No, it's about building a platform of financial stability, financial independence, where you are keeping way above inflation. Right now, inflation is still real and we're still dealing with it. But hard assets like real estate, intelligently bought, can buffer you through the good times and the bad times. And to explore some of the wonderful ways that money can open up doors for you, not only in taking wonderful care of your health, but your body, mind, and spirit. There are things that you can do for your good health that don't require money. And one of them that I've been doing on and off for years, which is so awesome, is to ground yourself. Get out in the grass, get out in the sand, if you're so lucky to be near sand, and take your shoes off and connect to the earth's energy. It is so stabilizing for you. It gives you energy throughout the entire day. And also it really invigorates your metabolism. And when you have money, not only can you afford insurance, you can afford to actually take care of yourself. That means alternative therapies that might actually work better than going to the doctor and just taking some prescribed pills. Many years ago, I learned this, and it has never, ever left me. When I was in my early 20s, my husband got tonsillitis constantly. He kept taking penicillin. It never really helped. It kind of made him enough to go to work, but he never felt good. And it's important to feel good. So finally what happened was we scheduled surgery, tonsillectomy, about $6,000 at the time, and we were newlyweds. I said, where's this money gonna come from? So I said, there's got to be a better way. So I started researching, and what I found out was that vitamin C can many times boost your immune system so that your immune system takes care of the infection naturally. Well, of course he didn't believe me, but I was right. He started taking the vitamin C, and within 48 hours he was all better. Canceled the tonsillectomy, and honestly, after that, I was sold. At the same time, I read a book called Male Practice with the E shaded out, and it was how doctors manipulate women. And I started learning all sorts of very interesting things about the medical system. So, although I have a few clients who are doctors, love them pieces, and I know they have good hearts, the system is less than desirable in many cases. And many people, including people dear to me, have been very hurt by the medical system. So, ladies, take care of your health. And if you need to have the resources to do Vygotsky, which is the back genius in my opinion, it's Tony Robbins and Tim Ferriss back, and Jack Nicklaus's back coach, which saved my life. You need to go pay for that, pay for it. You need to make your health a priority, and having the means to do that is critical. There's nothing more disabling as a human spirit to not be able to afford appropriate health care for your body. Okay, let's get going. You taking care of your health is a topic that is very dear to my heart. The reason for the Women's Wealth Network is so women can take care of themselves by being first financially free, and then second, using that money to have a life of their dreams, starting with a beautiful, healthy body. Blessings to you. Until next time, Ginger Faith signing off, Women's Wealth Network.